Welcome to Section 5 and the last section of our Bing Ads video training. Additional tips to consider. In this section, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Segment your contact list. Listing subscribers on different lists according to age, location, and preferences helps you communicate with them more effectively and thus increases the possibility of being read. Plan and set specific goals. Prepare a calendar with the tasks to be done. It's best to set a clear goal and follow a good plan to achieve it. Use highly effective tools. Using a good professional email marketing tool helps you make the job easier because it includes pre-designed templates and lets you track the results of each action. Test as much as possible. Send tests to different email providers and check if the message is being seen correctly, because each email provider has a different way of displaying content. Set a comfortable frequency of sending mails. Do not keep a very low frequency for sending emails to customers, but don't send too many emails because they can get tired and unsubscribe. Analyze your results. The reports help you analyze the behavior of users in each campaign so you can test and modify what is necessary to improve and create more effective campaigns. Split test your opt-in pages. Split testing allows you to test different opt-in pages and learn which form gets the best results by generating the most subscribers. Include an unsubscribe link. Let the reader unsubscribe by using a link in your email. Those who are no longer interested can leave whenever they want, and your emails can avoid being marked as spam. Think about mobile phones. Millions of people use their cell phones to open their email, so use a design that allows the message content to fit the screen size of the mobile device. Include the sender's data. Including your real name next to the company name helps people have more confidence in you. Don'ts. Don't buy contact lists. None of the people in that list have given you permission to send them emails, so they won't open them, and your emails could be marked as spam. Don't send emails just to sell. The main goal of email marketing is to build a relationship of trust with subscribers to become buyers, so don't just send them sales ads. Don't use a personal email account. If you do this, you're not showing professionalism to the person to whom you want to sell your products. Don't write a misleading email subject. If the subject has nothing to do with the message, it will surely be erased and give you a bad reputation. Don't lose contact with subscribers. Maintain a constant relationship with subscribers. Offer them content of value that keeps them interested, always expecting more, and make them loyal. Don't create complicated forms. When forms are not easy to fill out and ask for a lot of data, readers may become uncomfortable and leave the page without subscribing. Don't break the rules of spam. There are some restrictions that apply to email marketing to keep you from being marked as spam. For example, don't use words like offer, free, or discount. And don't send false information. Don't send generic emails. Call people by name, congratulate them, explain why your product can change their life. Impersonal emails are of no interest to anyone. Don't send too much content in your emails. Very long emails can lead to laziness in people and make them not read the email. That is why emails must be simple, specific, and contain images. Don't stop trying. If the first attempt doesn't work, don't stop. Perseverance leads to success.